Hey guys, what's up? This is Prachi, and in today's video I'm going to share with you all how to get the perfect base makeup in just 3 steps. All the products I'll be using today are from the same brand, so technically it's also a one brand makeup routine. All the products are from the Maybelline Fit Me range. There's a reason why I picked up this range, guys. I know a lot of you already love this range. A lot of you are already using products from this range, right? So I'll also show you how to use them correctly. And all the products are under rupees 1000 and they're really good, by the way. Okay, they're affordable drugstore products and really good. And most importantly, this one is really exciting. A lot of you keep asking me, Prachi, how do I pick the right shade of this or that online? Well, I'll talk about how you can actually try out things virtually, how you can try them out online. So just keep watching this video, guys, to find out all this awesome info. Okay, just keep watching. Now guys, like I just said, to get the Fit Me As I Am perfect base, we will be using 3 products: primer, foundation and a compact. Okay, so these are the 3 products we'll be using. And when we talk about makeup base, I think there's a very important conversation that needs to be had. Primer is so crucial. Personally, I'll tell you, I know so many friends who have a primer. Okay, some of them who don't even have a primer, and they just don't use a primer. They just think it's an additional step that doesn't make sense. No guys, a primer is so crucial. I'll tell you why. It basically gives you that perfect canvas to start working on. See, nobody has a perfect skin no matter how much care you take. You will have tiny bumps, you will have open pores, blackheads, whiteheads here and there. Sometimes you can't even see them, right? But it's there. So basically what happens is that, when the canvas is not smooth, when you paint on that canvas, you don't get that result. That little bit of finishing, that a little extra edge, can make a huge difference when you're doing your makeup. So start using a primer. So today I have with me 2 primers. First is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Primer with Clay for normal to oily skin. Okay, so let me just pause it. This is for normal to oily skin. And then we also have the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth Primer with Vitamin E for normal to dry skin. So the other one was normal to oily skin and this is normal to dry skin. Why is this so important? Guys, when you're picking up a primer, it's very crucial that you pick up the right primer for your skin type. Because if your skin is too dry, okay, your foundation, your makeup can start looking very cakey and flaky. Okay, it will happen because I have dry skin. It's something which I have experienced time and again, and then I'm like, why didn't I use the right primer? Why didn't I prep up my face properly? It happens. And if your skin is too oily, your makeup will just not sit well. Okay, so to get the right look, and like I just said, to go that additional mile for that extra nice look, you need to do this. A primer is very crucial. So how do you use a primer correctly? Let me just elaborate on that a little bit. We are just going to take a little bit of primer. You don't need too much of the product. Dot it all over your face and massage it. When massaging it, don't massage it like a face oil. Just massage it a little bit gently and that should be enough. With a primer, you don't have to do a very rigorous massage. So just to make it easy, here is how you would ideally massage a face cream or a face oil, right? With a primer, it's not technically a face massage. You're just applying the product on your skin and that's it, okay? I love how this primer has a lightweight creamy texture. It hydrates the skin and because it's vitamin E infused, it gives the skin instantly glowy finish. For the matte poreless primer for normal to oily skin, it is designed to control the oil shine, and because it is infused with clay, it actually mattifies the skin. Once again, it has a lightweight creamy texture to give you a seamless makeup. Now for the next step, we'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation designed for normal to oily skin with SPF 22. My shade is 220. Because it contains clay, it gives you a shine-free look and it's designed to give you a natural seamless finish. While picking out your foundation, always test it on your face instead of testing it on your hands, because do you see the difference in your skin tone can be actually quite huge between your hand and your face. One shade lighter or darker than your natural skin tone will also work really well. Now to apply the foundation, make tiny dots all over and then blend it with a damp beauty blender in small tapping motions like this. A lot of people still like using brushes, but I just feel that if you are applying more than 2 coats of makeup, it can actually start lifting up your makeup, leading to a more cakey finish eventually. So start using a beauty blender if you haven't tried it out yet. It will change your makeup game, guys. I can guarantee you that. Having said that, if you want to buy a foundation online, head to www.maybelline.com. I will put the link in the description box below where you can actually virtually try on the makeup by switching on the camera, or you can simply upload a picture. So do you see how beautifully it tells me which foundation shades are absolutely wrong and absolutely right for me? Apart from picking up the foundation, I can also pick up different kinds of makeup like lipsticks and things like that. So I'll put the link in the description box below if you're intrigued by this option. And guys, here's how my face is looking right now after the primer and the foundation. I love how the foundation has set in so well. Very natural, seamless finish and great coverage. It looks very natural, right? Like I'm not wearing anything on my face. That is how your makeup base should be. Now moving to the last and final step of our 3-step regime today, we have the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder. It lasts up to 12 hours and it has an SPF 28 with PA+++. Because an oil control formula, it gives you a shine free effect, and my shade is 220 Natural Beige. So yes, I have picked up the same shade for the foundation and for the compact. I love how this compact comes with a mirror and of course, the applicator sponge, and I'm just gonna take a little bit right here and dab it on. So basically what a compact really does is, what a compact really does is that it sets your makeup in place and it also holds your makeup in place. So your makeup stays on for much longer, plus because it has an SPF protection, it lasts for 12 hours, it has so many benefits. So you just have to use a little bit of the compact to set your makeup in. So here's how my skin is looking right now. I love that these products are non-comedogenic, lightweight and easy to wear even under a mask, as it keeps your skin hydrated while also controlling the oil. So I can actually wear a mask. My mask says PP for Prachi. How self-absorbed, right? But let me just show this to you. So if I'm wearing a mask, it actually sits comfortably on the skin, in the sense that I don't feel any itchiness, I don't feel any discomfort, because a lot of times you might have even experienced this if you're wearing makeup, and on top of that if you're wearing a mask, there's this discomfort. That doesn't happen because it's a light breathable formula, and you don't end up with a weird mark over here showing that your makeup has lifted off and the rest of the face has the makeup on. That doesn't happen. It's very, very clean and it really stays on. In fact, let me show you this little clip. So this is how my face is looking right now. This is how you can obviously put on your mask, and after a few hours, this is a shot that I will take in future but editing right here so you can just see. So after a few hours, this is how the face still looks. So the makeup does not get disturbed by wearing a mask and your skin still breathes free. You feel good. So yeah, that's pretty much all that I want to share in today's video, guys. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, and if you are intrigued by these products, I will share all the links in the description box below. Like mentioned in the beginning of the video as well, all of these products are under ₹1,000, so that's definitely a big thumbs up. And I did tell you about the virtual try out that you can try it on Maybelline.com. I will share the details for that in the description box below as well, so you can pick your foundation shade online as well. Personally, what I would recommend is that when you're sharing a picture, don't share a picture which is obviously edited, or don't share a picture which does not show your true skin color, right? You want a picture which shows your actual true skin color. When you see that, okay, yeah, this is how my skin color really looks, this is how my face really looks, put that picture for the best possible suggestions. It really works. And yeah, that's about it, guys. That's all I wanted to share in today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, guys, and keep coming back to SuperWowStyle for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye-bye. Bye.